Stop. I'm about to tell you an uncomfortable truth. You are not broke by nature. You are poisoned by the mindset inside your head. The boat you're in right now, the boat of poverty, struggle, and debt, is sinking with massive holes. You are not weak, but you are a slave of habits. You've spent 5 years drowning in the same poverty trap, telling yourself tomorrow I'll change. Aren't you tired? Your mind has been hijacked by false comfort. In this video, I'll show you the trap keeping you poor, and how to break the mental chains in just 7 minutes and jump off this sinking boat. This is not motivation. This is an operation to escape poverty. And at the end, I'll reveal a secret known by only 1% of people that can 10x your life in 6 months. Let's begin. Asterisk asterisk. But first, if you're new to this channel, subscribe now and become part of the Money Mindset family. Part 1. Why is your boat sinking? Why is it so hard for you to escape poverty? Because your boat is full of wounds. Financial hemorrhage. You spend the little money you earn trying to maintain a fake status. You chose to look rich instead of becoming rich. Time suicide. Out of 24 hours, 8 hours working to make someone else rich, 8 hours sleeping. The remaining 8 hours wasting time on social media, watching others live better lives. This is slow suicide. Poverty virus. You believe being poor is fate. A leaking boat won't float just by removing water. You must fix the holes. Poverty is not fate. It's a result of your mental system. Change your system. Change your life. Part 2. Build your lifeboat. To escape the sinking boat, you need a lifeboat, and that is your security fund. Most people say, I'll quit my job, but have no backup. That's jumping into the ocean blindly. Step 1. Eliminate debt, financial slavery. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. This is your financial shield. Step 3. Start a focused side hustle. This is your escape plan. Leaving poverty is scary, but staying in it will destroy you. Before Part 3, subscribe and share this video with someone stuck in poverty. Part 3. Navigating the ocean of money. To escape poverty, you need direction, and that direction is skill. Rich people succeed because they have a map. Master a skill. Learn something people pay for. Video editing, AI skills, sales, etc. Inner circle. Leave negative people. Surround yourself with growth-minded individuals. Asterisk asterisk. Poor people focus on expenses. Rich people focus on building assets. What are you building today? Asterisk asterisk. Part 4. When the storm hits. When you try to escape, a storm of fear will hit you. Friends will laugh at you. Family will doubt you. This is the great filter. False comfort will tell you, stay safe, don't try. But only those who fight through the storm reach safety. This is not emotional, it's mechanical. Like a rocket launching, push yourself. Starting alone wins 80% of the battle. Part 5. The final destination. The safe shore is financial freedom. A place where you don't work for money. Money works for you. The 1% secret. Monk mode. Disappear for 6 months. Spend 2 hours daily learning a valuable skill. Burn your old habits. No going back. After 6 months, your income changes. Your confidence changes. Your identity changes. People will see a completely new version of you. Final outro. After watching this, you have 2 choices. Say, nice advice and keep scrolling. This confirms your poverty. Turn off your phone and start your escape plan now. The world is full of talkers, but it rewards doors. Subscribe to Money Mindset, because we are at war with your poverty mindset. Stand up. Take action. Build your wealth. Thank you.